What's going on, everybody? This is a quick video today just to answer a common question that I've been getting asked, and that is if you could still play normal Vita games if you have your Vita modded with an SD2Vita. So here I have a modded Vita. I'm just going to show you guys. You see the Henkaku settings right there, and I am on 3.68. Now how I have this set up is I have the Vita memory card down here, and then I have that configured as UR0, and then I have my SD to Vita as UX0. But here I'm just going to show you guys that it's perfectly safe. First thing that I would like to do is just power off the system. And it's off. So if I can open this, there you go. And here we have our SD to Vita, and then here we're inserting our game. We're going to go ahead and power it on just like normal. About this case, it has a little stand. Here it loaded the system. And a quick note, now that we restarted our Vita, at least in my case, the default memory is back to the official Vita memory card. So any game progress, anything that you've done within this game will be on this memory card if you and run it. And it's playing just like a normal game without any issues. So I'm gonna go back into the home screen. Now, at least in my case, because I have my Vita set to use a default as the SD to Vita, none of the jailbreak stuff is gonna be working for me. So let's say I just go into MGBA, Game Boy Emulator, error. So what you'd have to do in that case is take out the game, and insert your SD to Vita. Well, power it off first. And turn it back on. Alright. Now if I want to go into my modded stuff, I'd have to run HNcore. It just went straight in. Sometimes it would restart the Vita, and in those cases you just go back into it and try again. And you don't have to do anything, just hit exit. It's gonna load everything in the background back from the SD to Vita. Alright, and now you could see that my MGBA emulator is going to work just like Mario Kart. There you go, I have the volume down. And that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you disliked it, and leave a comment and subscribe for more videos like this. Catch you guys in the next one.